everybody, it is all about Granny here with another video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a really long time. I was really busy lately, but I thought I would post another video, especially with the 1.4.1 update. I think that's the update, yeah. You can now lock Granny inside the sauna, and you can also use the shotgun to knock her out. So I thought I would make a video on that. So let's get right in. I'm going to do this on easy mode because it's just easier to show you. Okay, so this is day one. As you guys know, we're waking up inside our bedroom. And she also added a secret room. Well, not secret, it's a new room. It's the one with the sauna though, so you guys know about it if you're watching this video. But yeah, so we're gonna take this. Oh, I need to turn my sensitivity down a little. We're gonna take this, and we're gonna go up here. Wait a second. Never mind. We're just going to make a lot of noise to attract her so that we can go downstairs. She's coming. Okay, so now we're gonna run downstairs. And then the room is right behind here. You can hide in there. And be careful of the bumper because when you hit it, it makes noise. So basically how to lock Granny in here. You open this door. You make a noise right there inside the sauna, then you come and hide in the car. Jeez, that's a lot of bear traps. So we're just waiting for her to come down, go inside the sauna. You close that, and you turn the sauna on. She's about to knock out. And this is a really good tool because it gives you never seen that before. Because it gives you time to do other things. It's basically like the crossbow, except it's in a room. And then she's gonna spawn somewhere randomly. So while you're doing this, you can try to find the shotgun pieces. I really don't know where they are. That's part of it. And to put the shotgun together, you have to do it in the room. Fun. Okay. You walk over here, and you do that. My cat is eating my hair. Okay, so now I have to find other parts of the shotgun. But she's gonna wake up, so if we die, we have to finish this on day 2. Because I'm just not being careful at all. Nothing we need. Sometimes it's right there. And sometimes you find pieces outside. And upstairs. Sometimes you can find a piece right there. I have not played this game in the longest time. God, that noise is awful. I hate it. I hate the outside noise. I don't know where the other two pieces are. I don't know if she's awake or not. Oh, she's upstairs. There's another part of it. Let's just make her come, so it's easier. There's 3 parts to the shotgun. Alright, now we're gonna go into the basement. A lot of games I've been playing lately, when you move the joystick up to a certain position, the whole thing, it just snaps in place and you run automatically. And I'm used to that. So this is weird as heck. Alright, now we have to find the 3rd part. Let's just make noise. Try to make her come. Okay, so now we need to find the 3rd piece to it. I don't think it would be in here. It's usually not. There's nothing in here? That's like weird. There's always something. Here. That will give us a little bit of time. Of course that's there. That's fun. Okay, so we need to find the 3rd piece. Oh God, I've been on this a long time. I'm sorry. I fully accept you. I give you permission to leave, because this is really boring. There we go, she should come now, because that was really loud. She's coming. So that will give us a little bit of time to go in these rooms. Oh, crap. Are you serious? It's in the wall. Get some better graphics, Granny. have to knock this down again because I screwed up because I'm stupid. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know where the final piece is. There's not another bear trap in the wall.
I see you.
That is the final piece. We found it. So now we can use this as another weapon to kill Granny. And it's really easy to use, and there's ammo in certain spots in the house. So, I'm just making this so that she comes. Okay, we should be good. Okay, so now we're just gonna go into the, let's call it the garage.
Do you want to play hide and
So now we have the shotgun. And you just pick up the ammo. But this is not like the, this is not like the crossbow where you can reuse stuff. Once you shoot her, that ammo is gone. Like, you can't get it back. So anywhere that you see the red ammo, you can, I think you have 6 ammos. Like, I think that's how many is in the house. There might be 9. I'm pretty sure it's 6 though. She needs to come. I want to shoot her. You can also use it to shoot down the can that you usually use the crossbow for. You ready? And she's gone for 2 minutes. And I will actually show you knocking down the can, because I have 2 minutes to do that. I've seen it done before. I've never actually tried, but you know, I haven't actually played this game in a long time. Like, I really haven't played it since 1.3. Like, I haven't played it at all since 1.4 update. Barely. Like, I played it once. See, and now we have the screwdriver, because we're cool like that. So, thanks for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, or if this helped you at all. I mean, it's really late for this video, but I don't know. But be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Leave a comment down below saying anything that could help you. Like, if you want me to make a video on a certain thing, I might make it if I think it's a good idea, or if you get, like, likes or something. I don't know. But, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if I should get a Discord and invite you guys to it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. All about Granny.